Welcome to the channel. On today's episode, we're going to be learning how to take out the R34 battery and put a new one in and trying to give you a little tutorial on how it's done.
The R34 has been sitting in the garage for most of the winter, and we had to move it on and off, and we had to boost it for that. And at some point we left this on the battery while we were boosting it, because the battery is located in the back and we boost it from the front. So basically this is completely dead and the battery is completely dead. And I went to look online on how to replace the battery on the R34, and I didn't find anything. And I removed the liner a bit, and it's very scary in there because the battery is basically between the shield of the rear seat and the rear racing shield of the trunk. So it's squished in between and cannot go anywhere. So the goal today is to take it out and put a new one in. Let's get going. Step one, this one's coming out. So what we find is basically some tools. Then the back liner, there is one missing. There's a tab still here that we need to remove.
I think I remember doing this. We just unscrew this a little bit. Just like that. Just like that.
Okay. Okay. Let's take this liner out gently. Is it gonna help? Okay. And that is the magic. So basically,
now we got bolt central.
So the battery is in there. And you can see that we have literally bolt central. So we have the bar that is going to be quote unquote the easiest piece to remove. And then I don't know, because I don't know how many of the bolts we have to remove, but there is basically bolts
so
everywhere.
My assumption would be that the bolts that we need to remove would be the light colored ones, since these ones look like they're only holding these two pieces together. See?
Yeah.
That's connected to that. And I'm thinking these are the ones that actually connect to the car.
So they're what? They're not 10. They look
about 14.
14? Okay, let's go see if we have that in the toolbox. So,
that's nice. It's nice and organized. Okay. You're missing the one that we need.
Shut up.
A few moments later.
Check the 12.
Okay.
And I should have a 12.
Yeah, right on the money.
12?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm bringing everything we need. Okay, I think we need to remove that.
Okay.
There.
That too?
There is more. Yeah. Up, this one. Actually, I have a wheel in the car. I have a spare wheel in this car. I don't have a spare wheel in the R35.
Because your R35 is run flat.
It doesn't matter. I still don't have a wheel in the back. This has a wheel in the back. Like, this is better. Okay. What did you do? What did you?
This one is not like the others.
Where was it?
This one is not like the others.
Okay, so this one you're gonna put to the right.
Alright.
Oh, you need to remove the padding because there are two under here.
Okay.
Two. Yeah. Wow, that's a major one right there. They're usually like that. Yeah, look, I have one too.
I think.
So the inside ones are like that. So this has a tab and it's anchored in. So you need to remove it to access the last bolt. So I'm gonna.
Okay, gotcha. Yeah, that makes sense. Strap bar?
A strut bar.
Bye-bye.
No, let it not.
Getting rid of, not losing. We're not losing things, we're just We're not losing things, we're just getting rid of them.
I dropped two of them. Do we need to leave the tire to find them? What is okay? Let's go fetch them. Oh, the tire is who? Oh my god. Okay, it's so I dropped two, and it's basically like an entire process to go get what I lost. Excellent.
Oh, just one more bolt.
That's making interesting noise. One, two.
What? Let's leave this out.
Yeah.
I feel like that's gonna be a recurring story.
Okay, so in theory, this will come off.
Your theory is correct.
Mechanic. And then does the panel comes off. Okay, let's watch the paint. So this just came off. So this, when I was talking about the back shield, that's what I was talking about. And now we can actually see the battery. The battery is right there. So,
Nice battery too, guys.
well, yeah. So right now what we need to do is remove the top bracket, I guess.
The back one should follow if the front one is loose,
Okay.
from my experience.
And disconnect it, and we go get a new one. That was not as bad as
No, not at all.
I was really expecting this to be a thing.
Thanks for watching our videos. Hope you like them. Make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have time, go check us out on other social medias to see what's going on.